Hello YouTube, this is Will Tate, Yacht Boss, representing Not 10 Yacht Sales. Today we're taking a different approach at looking at gel-coated hull sides. Gel-coated hull sides as opposed to painted hull sides is a different process in which manufacturers finish their boats. We are taking a look at my 2016 Ranger Tug R31. This boat is currently for sale, but one of the things that's been holding back is the faded hull sides. So today I'm here with Prestige Detailing, and we're going to show you how to bring the hull sides back to life. Let's get into it.
As the sun adjusts, it can be very deceiving on the hull side, so trying to get some more pictures just to show you more of the fade and what we're going to get rid of. Wanted to give everybody a clear perspective of just, how bad the hull sides were. They were faded out, and we're going to show, these are just some before pictures, and we're going to show some after pictures as well.
Just doing a quick walkthrough on the boat. One of the things that this boat does have is an old name on it, and we're going to work on getting that out today with compounding and waxing and some light sanding. Walking on the sides of the boat, you just notice just the fade, and it's just a discoloration from the gel coat.
Just taking a look here on how they are buffing out the name. Sanding has already been completed. Just a huge shout out to Prestige Detailing. You guys came down, spent 2 days on the boat. If you are looking for a great detailer in Annapolis, they are one of the best. Been in business for over 25 years. I would highly recommend them. This is Will Tate with the Yacht Boss team, just showing you guys a little bit different video regarding getting your hull sides back together. If you've got a Sea Ray, if you got a Ranger Tug, a lot of these gel coated hull sides, it's just fantastic to see them come back to life. Please like and subscribe to our page. We look forward to seeing you in the next one. Have a great day.